In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact page in Softer. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to enhance their website's functionality and connect with users effectively. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to go to Softer Studio and open your application. This is where all the magic happens. It's the workspace where you can make changes and improvements to your site. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options and tools at your disposal. Next, on the left sidebar, you'll find the option labeled Pages. Click on it. This section is where you manage all the pages that comprise your application. It's your central hub for organizing content and navigation. From there, you'll want to click on Add Page. This will allow you to create a new page from scratch. It's a straightforward process that gives you the flexibility to design a page that fits your needs perfectly. Now choose the blank page option or go with a simple layout if you prefer. A blank page offers you a clean slate. It gives you the freedom to craft a page exactly how you envision it, without any preset constraints. Once you've decided on the layout, it's time to name your page. Enter contact for the name and set the URL path to /contact. This is important because it makes your page easily recognizable and accessible to visitors. With that ready, click Create Page. This action will generate a new page within your application. You will now have a dedicated space to build your contact page. The next step is to add a form block to your page. This is crucial because a form is how users will reach out to you. It's the main feature of your contact page, so include it early in the process. In the form settings, decide what should happen after someone submits the form. You have a couple of options here. You can choose to send an email notification directly to your email. Alternatively, you can save the responses to Airtable or the Softer database. This choice depends on how you prefer to manage and store your contact inquiries. Now, add the necessary form fields. At the very least, you should include fields for the user's name, email, and message. These are the standard pieces of information needed to effectively communicate with your audience. If you'd like, you can add a text block above the form. This is optional, but it can personalize your page. An example might be "Get in touch with us." A simple, friendly message can invite users to fill out the form. Once the elements are in place, it's time to style the page. Adjust the spacing between elements to ensure everything looks tidy. You might also want to center the form to keep the design balanced and visually appealing. This little step saves you a lot of time later by preventing potential design issues. Click Publish to make your changes live. This action ensures that all the work you've done is saved and visible to the world. You will see a confirmation appear, letting you know the page was successfully published. Finally, open your live site and test the contact form. This is a crucial step to ensure everything works as expected and users have a seamless experience. By testing, you can catch any issues before your audience does. And there you have it. Your contact page is live and ready to connect with visitors.